How to install the lock. Unpack the lock. Here are user manual, installation drawing, screws, striking plate, lock body, lock panel. Connect lock panel and body, line up with wire color. Check if the lock works well. Put a finger on scanner, green light. The latch will retract automatically. Measure and mark the center line of cabinet door. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the front door. Mark the lock body position with a drill 4.5 mm. Drill holes on the marks, center hole at 8 mm, both sides hole at 4.5 mm. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the back door. Marks body position with drill at 4.5 mm. Install the panel screw. Connecting wire goes through the center hole. Fasten the panel screws. Connect panel with body, line up with the wire color. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Tidy up the wire to protect the wire not crush when installation. Install lock body with screws. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Mark the center line of the top board. Put double side tip on the striking plate. For regular built-in drawer, the position should be 2 mm more than the door thickness. Install the striking plate on the drawer with screws. Install the drawer, push the drawer close. Open it with a finger. Adjust the striking plate but leave 2 mm for unlocking. The lock is installed successfully.